couple of boats, you know, that are similar classes, but this one is just the most fun and the fastest, and altogether just like the craziest experience, and it's unlike anything else. So there's definitely some wild cards that the bay can throw at you. I think that the current kind of provides the gnarliest because, you know, wind is manageable, but current you can't see. So I've definitely been in places where, you know, you capsize and you end up minutes later outside the Golden Gate Bridge, and it's just completely out of your control.
I'm used to sail a 49er, and I really love it. So this is the first time in the 80-footer skiff, and it's a great boat. It's very difficult when it's blowing a lot and the ebbing going out. The waves get really choppy and difficult. So today it looks nice. It's not too much ebb, but I think it's going to be challenging.